All right, everybody, welcome back to Cedar Creek RC. John here. Mystery box from Fair RC arrived. Let's open it up and see what we got. I don't know what everybody else has been getting. I've seen a couple people get a D90. We did get some bonus upgrades. I'm not sure exactly what they go to. We got some links, and it looks like a steering link as well. I'm not going to look at the instructions because I don't want to know what's in this. It says it's 1/24 scale. Box, you can see Fair RC mods, so it is a mod, and they did some really cool mod work, paint jobs, adding wheels and tires and different things. Oh, sweet. It's kind of one of the ones I was hoping to get. It's the I don't remember exactly what it's called. Land Rover. This is kind of one I was hoping for. I'm going to pull it up. I don't remember exactly what they call it, what Fair RC calls it, but when they do these mods, I'm telling you, they do a great job. It's got the little sunroof added onto it, but they also take off all the roof rack and accessories. It's got upgraded wheels and tires. And they go through and repaint everything. In the package, you have your charger, a few extra little things, of course, your remote, transmitter. Sorry, I'm just looking it up real quick to. It's called the Highland Rotor mod. I think that's really cool. I really like this green. Did an excellent job with the paint. So we'll do a video. We'll get these upgrades put on it. But that's really it. It comes pretty much ready to run. And I'll post a link to Fair RC on this particular mod. Yeah, it just looks really cool. It doesn't have, the shocks. Nothing else is upgraded on it. Just paint and wheels and tires. So that's a really cool mod. I'll get y'all down here a little bit closer to see it. You can see it's got a cool little sunroof. Still has the factory shocks, but I'm really happy with this mystery box. But I appreciate everybody watching. Everybody stay safe and have a great day.